Travel conditions across Colorado deteriorated rapidly as heavy snowfall and strong winds swept across the state, forcing drivers to change plans and brace for dangerous journeys along major highways, especially within mountainous regions and high-elevation corridors statewide. Drivers traveling through the impacted areas described near-whiteout conditions and extremely slick pavement near the tunnel, calling the drive one of the most challenging experiences they had faced without officials enforcing a full road closure. In the western portion of Interstate 70 near Georgetown, a crash involving a semi-truck prompted temporary lane closures and traffic detours, while emergency crews secured the scene and addressed leaking fuel concerns nearby. East of the crash site, traffic flow was repeatedly halted and reopened as conditions changed, with additional accidents contributing to congestion and forcing authorities to manage multiple lane closures throughout the day. Officials said blowing snow significantly reduced visibility across mountain highways, preventing motorists from reacting quickly to hazards, even as road crews worked continuously to clear snow and assist stalled vehicles. Several truck drivers were seen pulling over along I-70 to install chains as conditions worsened, describing steep grades and rapidly deteriorating surfaces that made maintaining control increasingly difficult. Other travelers reported worsening road conditions as snowfall intensified near Idaho Springs and Summit County, where wet pavement quickly transformed into compact snow and ice-covered stretches on mountain roads. Weather experts confirmed snowfall was widespread across northern mountain regions, with highways remaining snow-packed and icy well into the evening despite occasional improvements in visibility during brief lulls. Additional closures affected multiple mountain routes, including critical passes, as safety operations and avalanche risk evaluations required partial or complete shutdowns to protect motorists and highway maintenance crews. In high-elevation areas of the Rocky Mountains, heavy snow accumulation combined with wind gusts exceeding 50 miles per hour created dangerous driving conditions, while traction and safety requirements remained firmly enforced. State transportation officials deployed hundreds of snowplows across Colorado, operating around the clock in hardest-hit regions to maintain access to key corridors, though extended delays remained unavoidable. Transportation authorities urged motorists to remain cautious, warning that continued snowfall, icy surfaces, and strong winds were creating extremely hazardous travel conditions throughout mountainous sections of the state. Despite hazardous weather, some drivers continued towards ski destinations, hoping the storm would deliver fresh powder, while still recognizing the elevated risks presented by traveling through mountain corridors. Officials emphasized that the storm impacted large portions of Colorado, particularly west of the Continental Divide, urging travelers to prepare carefully, avoid unnecessary trips, and delay travel until conditions improve.